welcome to the Mix Lovelies and Friends. And on the mix, we have Marcia. And Marcia is answering to Dwayne because of the message that he had sent to her. And you have to hear what Marcia has to say. Marcia said that she was very nice to him and she's not taking any advice from, you know, someone that could have been her child on who to speak with and who to reconcile with because, she's been on the platform for a long time and she knows what she is doing. So, guys, go catch the video. Remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. For all my lovelies out there celebrating their wonderful birthdays today, happy birthday. I wish you joy, love, peace, happiness, and prosperity throughout this year. For all my other lovelies and supporters, my friends, my subscribers, whoever you may call me, have yourselves a beautiful, beautiful day. Go catch the video. Remember to subscribe to the channel. Have a lovely one now.
Excuse. Because if you claim that you're brilliant and you're smart and you're going to brag and boast and say you're the most smarter man, wheel your ass, you're still young. And you don't have to depend on social media, frustrating yourself, stressing out yourself, taking up for people, defending people who not defend you and don't give one blood clot about you. I was very nice to you. I made a lot of money on social media. You use my contents and your videos, them go up into 200,000, 300,000 with my content. You made a lot of money off me when I wasn't making shit. Even up until now, when I go on Facebook and I Google my name, I hear a blood clot name I show up under my video with how much thousands. I come on your page when your page, if your page at 1,000 people, when me jump on it reach to 2,000, come chat and nice up your page. You diss me too much time, me not reconcile with you, not a bomb or pussy blood clot. I don't want a friend for you, me not come for your page. Stay in your lane with your blood clot, big education. Make me stay out my done self. If I feel I cuss out any one of them blood clot, drunk or pussy, well, dirty girl and boy, I may cut them out until I go in a church. Go fully committed to the Lord, if the Lord permit me have that chance one more time. All you have to do is to leave me alone. Right, yes, so the reality show of Marcia life. Make me stay by myself and struggle by myself out here. Me did a long time before Uno come and learn half of me. Nobody now come to come tell me how to run my page. When you said one was not a blogger, you were a supporter on my page and other people's page. So you take motivation and inspiration from me and other people and build your channel. So you now come out here, come go on like say you want to tell a veteran like Marcia how to run our blood clot show and who me to be friend with and who me to reconcile with and who me to reconcile it. When me dear have 16 blood clot years and other people only there 5, 6, 1, 2 years. You me no need no advice from no bumbo clot. You can't come out here come tell a veteran how to conduct myself when I am the one who is getting bashing for 4 years straight. I am the one who has been put down and classed down to the blood clot ground. Calling all kind of name. And none of them big pussy open up girl, ugly girl, they can't look like me, act like me, nor live like me. All when me I live in a blood clot shit house, they can't live like me. So you know under no jurisdiction, in a no farmer way, if you come tell me who me must reconcile with, how me if you conduct myself, or how me if you not conduct myself, go and go sit down with the education. If me want can't spell something, me ask blood clot Siri, a Siri, or Alexa, how to spell pussy, and dick. See it here? Instead P-U-S-S-Y right up so. That's all. Good night. If I can know something, me Google a blood clot. Everything is on Google and everything is on YouTube. YouTube is a university and Google is a university. Them have a app, them have a book, them have blood clot hook and phonics. Them are professional. Me need somebody if you do my PH, me take my bumbo laptop and go in a Best Buy and go pay me $200 and make a blood clot geek them fix it for me. Them have people Google it. Facebook expert. You go up on blood clot Google. Anytime you want nothing to do, I go pay me blood clot money. None of them people can use education for me, because none of them using the Ross education. I will put them up have education and them sit down write us up on YouTube like a big blood clot coronation market. Some of them have their education out there sell pussy like a dog. Some of them have their degree at the same Ross thing. They hope ya, and this is what them depend on YouTube channel. Not a blood clot thing now go on for them. Some of them sit down in Jamaica and graduate from university, I go from college, and I YouTube them depend and make money. No blood clot body not hire them. And me, them a bumbo clot live up up here come talk about good, nice, up sexy ass 51-year-old, nice, sexy breast, sexy teeth, good black blood clot, dark skin. Man, with for them blood clot, man, will run me down. And me then I make money off on a chat. I don't want no friend. Me don't want no friend. As long as my spirit is right, I don't care nothing about somebody here. It could have always flap and flap and flap. I smell good and I spray some perfume for me. Michael Kors perfume, yes, my dear. I'm just on beard and lotion up. I don't want no friend for nobody. You're nice to me. I come for you. If you don't talk about me, I come on your page and I support you. I will come and say, hi, good afternoon. And I spend 10 minutes and I'm gone. If I'm something interested, I will stay. But if I something when me hear all the while, me not staying, I come and I support and me gone about my business. Me not have nothing to reconcile with nobody. Don't tell me about say me for whatever not. Me a big blood clot university teacher out here when it comes on social media. I am the one who give all kind of things out here. You can't come tell me we give me most content out here. Me must come whatever. No, you can't work. Yeah. You can't tell me that. You can't tell me that. No. You can't tell me that. You must learn. You learn from me. Me not learn from you. You was a little boy for me. I'm 52 February. And you're in your 30s. My son is going to be 26 May. You can't come tell me nothing about life situation. Me married 2 times. A baby father live with how much years. Have date and whatever. You not reach them age there. So you can't, you're not little boy, can't give me advice. Not when it comes to blood clot, YouTube and Facebook. This out here so is an entertainment world. It's a cat and mouse game out here. So you can't come tell me this a page where people are put down people and you hear every single day, all these people bash me. And I know people talk about me and brag and boast and whatever. And you want to go reconcile and act differently. No. You can't tell me what to do. Not even mirrors, dead mama can't tell me what to do, but that's you. So nobody don't waste your time. Nobody, not my friend, them can't tell me what to do. Me have all my big auntie, them I respect. What we give me anything I want. My friend, them or whatever. And I mean, I listen to them for tell me for what up course. And me, and you are come out here when you're ready. You flip flop. I tell people I kind of dirty word them I kind of something too. And then you are trying to discriminate me. And I tell me, it's not gonna work. Not from you, honey. Only Jesus Christ himself will come to heaven. Only Jesus Christ himself. Me not take nothing for nobody right now. Everybody support the same page. Then come over here and nice up to me. Hi Marcia, you're looking so pretty. Somebody gone over, look on a little ugly girl. Look on her ass belly big. In favor them look at this, that. Pale laughing sign going up. I trust no shut of her ass down. You come over here and sweep me up. Sweep me up, you know. And when the haters, them over there, describe me down to the ground. Them over there, you know, them laugh and put up emoji. And come over here, come tell me hello. Come over here, come tell me something pretty. Me know me pretty, I'm going to tell I'm pretty. Everybody will follow me and look at me. I see them, so I go view them, there is a page them. Nobody with it. There is no, I don't have nothing against you. But you and I don't have nothing to talk about. Nothing at all. Nothing. You can't give me no advice, boy. No bloggers on social media. cannot give me any advice. When you walk half a mile or even 10 minutes in my shoes, what they have done to me on social media, you will understand why my heart is hardened like Pharaoh towards them. How are you? When you of all persons should not be telling me to do certain things. Because you're not better than me. You're flippy floppy, and flip flop. Me don't have a time for foolishness. I don't have the time. I keep it real at that time. I don't have the time for flip flop. I tell it how it is, and that's about it. So I ain't taking no advice from the little boy who can make up their mind if they want peace or they want shit. You understand? You don't make up your mind if you want peace or you want shit. Because me would have never defend nobody who embarrass me and put me down with disability. Me not do it. Me forgive them from a distance, but me not come on social media country to have people for them. Not me. They're not for them to rest more than me. Huh? Half of them more than me. Eh? Look how far me reach here. Me pass half a century. That's a mighty long way. Mighty long way, Lord. Mighty long way. Look where you brought me from. I've been through many things in my life, enough things that I make it. Remember a couple years ago in 2010, me have some breed of anxiety today. Shortness of breath. Every minute ambulance have to come for me every single hours day down at my husband's house. Some breed of pain joke me start shake. Some breed of tingling, some hot rush come up in my body, straight up in my head, hot and cold. All the rest, doctor, me I go doctor couldn't find nothing. Me jump from Queen's Hospital to Long Island Jewish to St. Francis. Sent sitting down at Jamaica Avenue all over. Eh? Doctor couldn't find nothing. Me have to find myself in a church. Hobia, them are hobia me have. And my fee said was a mother-in-law at the time there. You hear me tell you? I couldn't find nothing. Doctor couldn't find nothing. When me tell the doctor what happened to me, doctor couldn't find Ron Ross. Me all go to Jamaica Hospital one time and give me pill. When me I look all three somebody me see. Me say, what did you guys give to them and release me? Me say, I'm not going nowhere. Look at me in the medical field. I said, what kind of pill did you give to me? Because I'm seeing 3 people one time walking. I'm not supposed to be seen. I said, listen to me. Oh, you're discharged, Miss Campbell. I said, I'm not going nowhere because you give me medication and I don't know what it is. I'm seeing double people and whatever. I'm not leaving. And I sat there, a Jamaican nurse come over and I calmed me down. I said, I'm not going nowhere because whatever medication you guys give me, because I was going so often. Them said, me need this one psychiatrist at the time because them can't find nothing because it was witchcraft. Lucky thing, me have a little ancestor, them help me. Come in my dream and tell me what to do. My grandfather come in my dream and dream Claudette and tell Claudette if he tell me say if get 6 green lime and cut them up with some frankincense and myrrh and bathe up myself in a 3 day. And me go to one church down a St. Alban there. One like a holy man church. They may tell you pray. When you go in the church, woman stop cut spirit. I remember that line I do it. When me sometime in a room lie down, when me still looking at the kitchen, me see all pot go open at the here, I cook sitting in the kitchen, kind of something door and knock. Me alone did the door knock, go to open the door and terrace door. When me I go up the stairs, me see some little Heil print club, all me I show me husband and powder, husband can't see it. Husband can't see it. Because she the one to live in son. Yes, me dear. You think I look at something people doing? Never, and I wash off myself and I go to church. And I drink my frankincense and myrrh and I pray and my people and pray for me. Yes, every time when me go to Jamaica, me alright. And when me come back to the house, me not alright. Me left and me go to Jamaica and spend a month at Jamaica. When me left at Jamaica, that thing happened to me. None of them something I experience. As me come back in the Ross house, it start. As I come back in the house, it start. Yes, my dear. When puss come to shove, and when me ready to move, one lady was upstairs. And lady said, come here, Marcia, let me show you something. Me I talk, you know. Yes, when I look in the cupboard, red candle, black candle, all kind of ras candle. Hear me I tell you, and my Christianity saved me. I'm a God doctor. My doctor couldn't find nothing doctor couldn't find. No, nothing doctor couldn't find. See me here today, yeah. So sometime when I did go on as somebody I do no same thing. You see when mother-in-law no like you, watch out for some of them. That's why when me in there Jamaica, me married to me Indian from me realize say she a up. I said no more food. Me say as long as me come here, your mama can't cook give me. Me no want no dinner. Me go over Angel Plaza go buy dinner every evening yam. And she ask him son, why do Marcia go buy food and we cook? Me tell me nah me from she. Me no want no dinner cooking it. Yes, you think me a woman from me she say you know like me no one way. Me not name for you. Me not eating. I go Angel every evening go buy food. Right now the plaza in one place called another bowl. Then cook very good. You go in here, you take your food and any food you want and put together. Sitting at right now Angel Plaza. When you go Angel so right near Plaza, them have one place called a name bowl sitting in the full line, full and cook good in there. I've been eating in there for years. You understand? So me know me go through. That's why me glad God separate me. You know me not keep friend, you know? You know see me do it myself. Keep quick one of her friend. All of my friends in the far. When we ready we get at them, we go for vacation cruise. Next year, we're planning to go out for birthday. Me don't keep it's me keep friend. Friend who no cost me every day, so me can't me no want a friend. You don't see how people try to get close to me. I mean I get close to them and come on social media and talk about me. Eh? Suppose me go get close to them in a one way. Yeah, suppose me go get close to them in a one way. Look how me there Woodland Village nice and quiet and me never beg not me I beg dinner for cook everything. And this girl come down and me just touch. I said, Marcia, don't cook. Don't cook anything. Don't cook. Me say me I go. She said, okay, me care some Thanksgiving dinner. Me never beg her. Me say, okay, no problem. You know, me have my money for go about my business. All of a sudden, they on social media, girl feed me. Eh? Girl feed me. She insisted. She said, Marcy, I'm going to carry something again. Because she's always calling me to go to her. And I never go to her for go Red Lobster or nothing. Because from me see her, I don't want a friend from her like that. All of a sudden, me ungrateful can go feed me. And when he come, me say, look at me, say, person care Thanksgiving food can give me. Me eat out some of it. I know she had carry a lot, either a straw week. The other time me over there the Christmas or whatever, we moved in an apartment and I was heading out. As God could have couldn't find me, I was heading to Red Lobster. And when she come, she said, Marcia, what you doing? Me say, I'm heading to Red Lobster. She said, no, I'm cooking a lot of food. I can bring you some. She would eat from my last time and she rent the place for me, trust her. Me said, no, me going to Red Lobster. She said, no, Marcy, I'm going to come over. Even when me put on my clothes and ready up in the night, she came so late. And I said, listen, if you not ready in about 10, 15, 20 minutes by 8 o'clock, I'm leaving. And that's the God Almighty truth I tell her. All of a sudden, you hear how me ungrateful because girl feed me. Even though I was renting the place where she forged this and give it to me, I wasn't speaking to her like that. I never tell her my business. Me and her wasn't friends to tell her business. What we talk about was Facebook. She's always the one who's always calling me, encouraging me from the same people and page where she go on. She's always the one who's calling me, Marcia, don't pay these people no mind. I hate them and so and so. And now she up on them page. I told her I was going about business. Remember, say every Thanksgiving and everything I cook my big food, you know. I